it's the beat. You hear it in the sleep sometimes. Blare it in your Jeep so your peoples can stare at them rhymes. Real rhymes, not your everyday hologram.
Hello, I'm Josh Boothby, and this is my bike check. First, we're going to start off with these limited edition Oakley B1B grips. Had to split 2 sets in half. My hands are a little bit bigger than most people's. Most comfortable grip out on the market. Then next thing you know, we got the Resist Congoloid bars. Then there's the Shadow Conspiracy yellow stem. Love this stem. Then we got the Resist limited edition gold headset. Then working our way down here, we have my frame, which is the 51 SE UVT frame. That's us versus them, by the way. Awesome frame. Best frame out on the market right now. Then after that, we have my Grand Royal Lurker fork. I love these forks. Best offset there is. Then to that, we have our female bolt Resist tubs. 36 hole in the front, laced to a chucker, gold, with the Resist Nomad tires, 45C. Then coming down here to the bottom bracket drivetrain area, we have a Resist bottom bracket, Resist Sprocket 36, Resist Cranks 160, with black design strap on the pedal, and the pedal's primo. And then coming back here to the rear end, we have a 13 tooth cog with a KHE half-link chain, laced to a 36 Resist rear hub, 14mm 3/8 slotted for all those people that don't like to run 14mm slotted frames. Laced to a 36 gold, another gold chucker, laced to with a 45C tire, one of the best tires out there. No man. And then coming up here, we have a Resist seat post, Resist seat. I like to put my nice little comfortable booty on there, you know. Doesn't hurt anymore. And then on this side, I run 2 pegs for you left side grinders out there that want to know what's up. These are the Butcher pegs, aluminum animal sleeve with a PVC animal cover. You know, get on it. Same with the back. I like to thank Oakley, Grand Royal Bikes, SE Bikes, Star Nectar, Cosmic Infant Drinks, Boombotics, Arius Cycles, Resist Parts, for everything. Thank you.